What's going on, Griddle Nation? Welcome to CJ's first cooking show.
It's good to be here.
It's a glorious day here in Florida. We're finally killing some of that heat, and I have got a delightful.
91. Hey, better than 92. Better than 98 degrees, which is your favorite band.
It's the hardest thing I'll ever have to do.
Speaking of Nick Lachey, I've got an awesome recipe for you guys today. Before I get into it, be sure to like and subscribe, and also down below there is a link that you're going to be able to see some really sweet gear that we are selling on Teespring. Get a bunch of shirts. I think we've got them over there and everywhere, and stickers and what's not. But aside from that, today I'm going to show you a slice of brilliance, my friends.
It is a slice, a
The
big
Bandito is back, and today the Bandito has shown up in the form of a bagel bite. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a barbecue chicken better Bandito bagel bite, or
a better barbecue chicken bagel Bandito bite.
woo! Woo!
That's pretty nice.
Woo!
Oh, I wasn't recording.
For real?
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
If you can find it in a freezer, chances are I can figure out how to cook it in a better way.
This is true.
Which is like today. So right down here, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I've got some chicken cutlets, salt, some coarse
Whoa,
black pepper.
doubling up on
And then
seasoning?
I've got some delicious, remarkable
All
Blackstone cheesesteak seasoning. And wait, we're not
Tripling.
done. We're gonna go
Triple.
to town with some Blackstone whiskey burger. We're gonna do this on both sides and lay that on our griddle top. Now you might be saying to yourself, why are you using so much seasoning on these thin little chicken cutlets?
Continue.
Because it's gonna actually end up making a really awesome crust on my chicken, and we're gonna get a great texture that goes along with
dude,
this.
it smells so good immediately.
Right away.
Is that the cheesesteak or the whiskey? It's good cheesesteak.
I think it's both.
I think both.
I think both.
Now while that's cruising along, right next to it, I'm gonna go ahead and throw down some pancetta fat.
Oh, talk to me about pancetta, you
So-
wild man.
So pancetta is something I was not introduced to up until about a year ago. And pancetta, it's not bacon. I was gonna say like thick prosciutto.
Yeah.
But you can't eat it raw. Now, while that is cruising along, let's get to our yellow onion. There's 3 components that go into any respectable Bandito. And any respectable Bandito creator knows you've got to have these 3.
The Mandos, the mandatories.
The Mandos, as in the Mandalorians.
Well, this is the way.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
Onion, barbecue, chili cheese Frito.
Yes, those
You're
are the
to win it.
And then that's essentially you can use whatever other kind of protein and mix it up and match it to make your desired Bandito food.
Start
Whoa,
using- whoa. Your bangs in your face?
and a bug.
Oh.
We're gonna set this here. Let's see if our chicken net even needs a flip. Oh yeah.
Hey,
Look
beauty.
at that. We are good to go. We can. Oh yes, yes sir. Now
Yes,
get our onions over here. Spread them out. I did a whole onion because onions
You want
break down. They get a
Uh-huh.
lot smaller, and
As
you're
that
gonna
sugar
always,
comes out.
you're gonna always ask yourself, why? Oh, why didn't I just cook more onions? Because man, is there anything better than sautéed onions?
Onions and pancetta fat.
Oh my Lanta.
Oh my Lanta.
Stop, collaborate, and listen.
Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly.
Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly.
Nothing. He's got nothing.
Go ninja, go ninja, go!
Go ninja, go ninja, go.
Nothing.
We'll be back in 2 minutes. So I'm gonna keep this pancetta fat. I'm gonna slide this back and then kind of lift and slide.
Okay.
Get that out of the way. Now let's get to our bagels. You can't have a bagel bite
Without a bagel.
without a bagel. We're gonna compound our flavors with that fat. Also, I cooked my pancetta here, so I'm gonna be getting some of that yummy
Flavor
crispiness. Flavor Flav.
Yeah, boy!
All right, now let's not forget our onions. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off and set it over here. Now I'm gonna pull these off.
Oh, gorgeous
I think
Georgie.
that beep Georgie.
Aren't you going to say hello?
Now I'm gonna go ahead and just flip them. We're gonna get another toast. And boys, it's time to build. You're gonna want thin, small, little bites
Thin
to go with your
blue
little bagel bite. Your little footballs. So, guys, today we've got some TD's Brew and Barbecue. This is their original sauce. It is delightful. If you have the means, I highly recommend it.
If you have the means, I highly recommend picking one up.
We're gonna do just a little bit of... Oh, no.
Shush.
Last night, while I was concocting this brilliance,
It came to you in a dream?
lightning struck my brain.
Lightning has just struck my brain.
Well, that must hurt.
I thought, why not take care of these pesky little bagel holes
Yeah.
with something else? How about a crispy cheese skirt? We're gonna create these rad little cheese skirts. that
Oh, to
are
cover the hole to
crisp,
keep okay.
to keep everything in, and then not only that, dude,
So it's functional and fashionable.
Functional.
so that way it doesn't get soggy.
Dude,
I am
Ethan,
so smart.
that was such a good idea.
That is pretty smart.
SMRT.
Hey CJ, did you know what color the Ride the Lightning album of Metallica is?
I mean, blue.
Yeah, but did you know that a French press misprinted 400 copies of it with a green album cover instead of blue? And now they're a collector's item.
I was unaware of that.
Unaware of that.
I was unaware.
As we're cruising along here, you're gonna start to see this Parmesan cheese start to bubble. This is the magic. That's the
Oh, yeah.
moment that you want to take advantage of. Now, I've got one that's already been a little so this is gonna be
Okay.
the special one.
Oh.
We're gonna set that down right there on top
Oh,
of
so
it.
before you flip, you're putting the bagel into the melty side.
Yes.
Good thinking.
And that way it's gonna stick,
oh,
and the crispiness, the crunchiness, the peanut,
peanut
butteriness.
butteriness.
Nobody better lay a finger on my butterfinger.
Tell you what, we're gonna give that, honestly, 30, 45 seconds, 60
Okay.
seconds.
Yep.
We're gonna be gone for 60 seconds.
Are we?
Lowrider Donnie.
Donnie, lowrider.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Good moves, bud.
These turned out even better than I thought they would.
Proud daddy, watching all these skills come together. You know, you turn into a fantastic cook. I'm the darn paterfamilias.
I'm the paterfamilias.
Okay, so check it. We're gonna go ahead and build right over here. Let's grab some of our barbecue sauce. Sorry, I was like thinking as I was trying to think. We're gonna do just a little dollop. Sorry if you can see under there. Now let's
The
go.
chicken. Oh, pancetta town. Now this is gonna give salty and crunchy. So we're like
the crunch of this I mean,
texture and flavor.
could do bacon. That is done.
Onto onion.
Onto our onions.
Onion.
We're gonna solidify the bandito nature of this beast.
Mandatory right here.
Normally I don't crush my chili cheese Fritos, but we have small little fellows to work with. So we're gonna have kind of an interior crunch dusting. Nope, not done. Just, I know.
Mountain.
I know.
Mountain.
I know. I love some heat and some vinegar punch.
Dude,
Whoa.
you're a sucker for those pickled
Man,
jalapenos.
I really am. All right, let's cheese it up, bro. You don't have to be too aggressive, but here's what I like to do. When you start to cheese it, that's when you can start kind of taking care of the mound.
Dude, look how tall this
Decoration.
is getting. Really? This is how it works?
Well, this is how I'm making it work.
Then the answer is yes.
Then that's exactly right. That is the answer. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of water. Not too much. I recommend you put it on the sides and the back, keeping the moisture off of your bagel bites. Then you ring it, bring it, come back in 2 minutes, and devour.
Melty minute.
All right, gentlemen, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's take that dome off. Look at how melty
Take that dome
and amazing that is. It turns out, though, there is one more. And
Turns out.
this one is coming home to daddy. We're just gonna set this one right over here.
Okay.
That's gonna be for the chef because I want the contrast. I'm gonna do a light drizzle of this on our plate. And we're
Okay.
gonna kind of just cruise along here just like this.
Look at you using a fancy plate, fancy technique.
Hey, look, I work with what I gotta
Gorgeous
work with.
presentation, stunning flavors.
Look, the presentation.
What's happening to me?
You're living not in a nightmare, but in a great place where the chili cheese Fritos flow like wine.
Where beautiful women instinctively flock like the salmon of Capistrano.
Bottom line,
This looks gorgeous.
look at that.
Are we done?
Wait. Now we're done. Honestly, the bagel bite has gone to an entirely new level.
Oh yeah, you took it places it probably shouldn't have gone.
Whatever.
No,
This
it's
is where
places
it
wishes
should have
could.
gone.
You really are a sucker for the pickled jalapeno.
Beep, 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 beep.
What?
That's the news. This just in. I'm brilliant. Man! So many things to talk about. I didn't even prepare a speech. But, to sum it up, you got sweet from the sauce, heat from the jalapenos, crispy from that awesome Parmesan chip.
Oh yeah.
Golly. Why is the Bandito so good? Why? Can somebody tell me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? You know why it's so good. Leave it down in the comments. Speaking of comments, it's that time, ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh, the good time?
Let's just pull the curtains back. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome to this segment of the show where you, the viewer, get to have a chance to jump
participate.
on the big stage
They all get a
with me.
participation trophy.
I really wish you could have seen the whole freaking dance that just happened. He's like, you got no! Like he was reaching for it.
Can you reenact it? Yep.
Starting with number one from the top, from you, the viewer. I screenshot it, I read it. We're gonna have some fun with it.
That's not how it works.
Oh no, it goes.
You,
Write it,
we,
read it.
just do a logo.
It's your bowl.
Yeah.
No, it's gotta be your bull.
Wow. Here we go. This comes from Charles
Dickens.
Walls.
Oh.
He says, I think Ryan Reynolds does the voice of CJ in all his movies.
This is
Great
true.
videos.
Uh-huh.
You
Everyone
know,
knows that.
I'm also
CJ's the abs
the
stunt
body
double.
devil. Exactly.
I never saw Deadpool.
Ring it. Charles,
It was a
good
joke.
job. Okay.
Totally seen Deadpool. Francis.
How tough can he be with a name like Francis?
This next one is another delightful one. This comes in from Lance Dean.
Hey,
Lance says, and I quote, I like it. I like it a lot.
Wait, that's the comment?
I like it a lot.
Dude.
Genius.
Lance. Can we get two
Ring it.
rings for Lance?
Ring it.
One for that. Two for the movie quote.
There we go. All right, here we go. Zing time. This comes from my dear friend Jackie H.
Jackie?
More cooking and less fooling around.
Please.
How do you think that these awesome recipes are concocted? By not fooling around? By not ringing it and bringing it?
Everyone knows genius comes from goofiness.
By not staying up to obscene hours of the night and watching movies over and over and over again that you've seen a dozen times? I mean, come on, Jackie, what kind of mad woman are you? Ring it for her anyways.
Yeah. Jeez. You alright? Need a minute? That one's done.
Jack.
She probably watches Sex in the City.
E. This is a double whammy. This is on a video that Betty and I did a while back.
Oh,
it's
fun.
literally a 1-2 punch, so I'm gonna do it just that way. Elistine Miller says, love the cooking tips for the Blackstone. However, it's a little over the top with the jokes and video inserts.
Aw.
I had to fast forward through most of it. Right beneath it, our dear friend Neil Payne Jr. says, Blackstone, this is great. Blackstone Betty, keep your own shows. These two clowns ate right.
The 8,
LOL.
right? It was delicious.
I like to eat
Apples
and bananas. Ring it.
I like to
Oot, apples and bananas. Oh, this next one. This is actually one that I'm really proud to share. We
Okay.
had a viewer of mine and all of ours that has turned a leaf. Just Average says,
Oh, he's usually so negative.
CJ, you rock and the food looks great too.
I am such a happy, proud daddy.
You know what? Just Average, you're above average.
Above.
You,
Way.
You
Way
are a pleaser. You're the teacher's pet. And
Yeah.
the teacher knows it and the class knows it, but they don't hate you for
I'm
it.
glad you're here.
They like you. Let us ring to our dear friend.
Just
Above average. And to wrap this one up, I'm going to pull one from Nate's show.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah. This
I
comes-
don't have any negativity on my show.
No, but you do have some encouragement, like it comes from our dear friend, mine specifically, Miss Nay.
Oh, Nene.
She says-
she likes me better than you.
No.
Just everyone knows it.
Not true.
She
She
said it to
says,
me in private.
stunning, Nate. It
Yep.
looks so amazing!
I know.
Exclamation points,
She's
all
great.
kinds of them,
Uh-huh.
and all kinds of emojis. Still wish CJ could be your friend while you cook.
Huh.
Once we start cooking on your set, I'm disqualified?
Well.
Is it that I don't hold the camera well and talk at the same time?
Well.
Is it that I take away from too much of the limelight, as you will? Because I'm so funny and clever, and your food is not really all that elevated unless it's dead silent on set.
Well.
I'll ring it for you, Nay. Thank you, Nay. And Nate, go cry yourself to sleep on your huge pillow.
He'll be crying himself to sleep tonight on his huge pillow.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to go to Blackstone Products to get this recipe. So many other things going on there as well. Thank you guys for hanging out. Also go to Teespring. That way you can get hoodies that are gonna be available at your pleasure.
Or fashion.
Get
some.
with the Ring It and Bring It t-shirts. We've also got stickers and a bunch of cool stuff from all of the shows. In the meantime, you gotta try out this recipe. The Bandito lives. And you know where he lives? On this show.
And in our hearts.
Exactly. But you know what else is in your heart?
What?
It's a special little place. It's a little tablet that says, here we cook and we grow. That's right, bring it and bring it. Thank you guys so much. You have yourself a fantastic day. Okay, bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Thank you. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye. Hey, you live here in Pittsburgh?
No, actually, I'm here.
Bye-bye.
Secure!